For me personally, I always tell people that Jamaica is Jesus' vacation spot. When he wants to chill out, take some time off from it when he comes to Jamaica. And if the big man come to Jamaica, why not come to Jamaica? You understand? So that is it.
Gospel, yeah.
For me personally, I always tell people that Jamaica is Jesus' vacation spot. He wants to chill out, take some time off from it when he comes to Jamaica. And if the big man come to Jamaica, why not come to Jamaica? You understand? That is it.
Hey, thank you.
Tasha, so they look better in a real life and maybe I'll be alive there. Thank you, ladies.
You stay real good, you're clean. You have to come down to everything, eh? Yeah. Yeah?
Like Pinja, man.
Yeah.
You make Chris look clean.
You're good.
Yes, man. Blessings, blessings,
I like your
blessings.
shoes.
Thank you very much, boss.
Alright, good.
Wow, this is
You have to show me the thing properly.
two beautiful ladies in one place, eh? Video, me happy there now.
Big up Conscience, big up.
Rally round the red, gold, black and
First of all, let me extend warm welcome to our Minister of Tourism, Honorable Edmund Bartlett, for joining us this evening.
Sunshine, rivers and trees.
Well, let me know.
when the rain hits up on the roof.
Clear. Balance.
TEF. Missing among us tonight is Dr. Andrew Spencer. I'm pretty sure he's probably on his way from another event. But I also like to welcome some of our board members who are also here, the JTB board members.
Go on.
See, when this music is in the background, it reminds me of another place.
Tell us about it.
And another kind of meeting that I have from time to time to address an audience far less resplendent than you are, but perhaps just a little more boisterous. But what a great evening it has been, and what a refreshing transformation.
Them say me do one trigger error.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.